Vodafone Idea board has approved raising of funds up to 25,000 crore rupees. In a board meeting held on 4th of September 2020, the board has passed an enabling resolution which basically allows the company to raise rupees 15,000 crore rupees via issue of equity or equity equivalent like ADR, GDR or FCCB. They have also allowed the company to raise 15,000 crore rupees via issue of debt instrument, essentially non-convertible debentures. But they are saying that the combination of these two cannot exceed more than 25,000 crore rupees. So that they have essentially allowed fundraise of roughly about 25,000 crore rupees. But this fundraise approval is required from the shareholders, which will be sought in the annual general meeting, which will be held on 30th September 2020. Having said that, I must point out that it is very, very important for Vodafone Idea to raise funds as their financial position is very, very precarious. If you look at the 30th June financial statement, they only have cash in hand equal to 3,450 crore rupees. Their net debt exceeds over 1 lakh crore rupees, and they have huge payouts coming up from the next financial year. They have to start making AGR installment payment from the next financial year. For the current financial year, they've already paid, so they don't need to make any installments this financial year, but next year they need to make. Also, they had got a moratorium of 2 years from the spectrum payouts, which will lift from the next financial year, so that payouts will also start to happen. So for current financial year, the company has enough cash to meet its requirement, but for next financial year they will fall substantially short unless their operational performance improves. So their operational performance has to improve, as well as their capital infusion has to come for them to survive or have a shot at survival. Their operational performance is expected to improve if there is a tariff hike. Remember, there was a tariff hike that was undertaken by telecom companies in December 2019. There is an expectation that there will be another hike, a steeper one, very soon. That is the expectation, and this will help Vodafone Idea phone to improve their performance, operational performance. They will also need some operational costs to come down for their profitability to improve. So all these factors, capital infusion, tariff hike, some savings on the cost, plus capex to a competitive capex to match their peers' services to stem this fall in subscriber base that they have been seeing. So these factors, unless they all fall in place, the company will find it very, very difficult to have a shot at a survival.